Hi guys, welcome back to Photobite. I'm Josh and Rotolight has been killing it since releasing the AEOS 2 and the Neo 3 from their successful Kickstarter campaign. We were lucky enough to be able to chat with Rod, the CEO, and others from Rotolight at a couple of their hands-on Creativity Hub events to check out their long-awaited accessories for the AEOS 2 and the Neo 3. Rotolight hasn't stopped with just the lights. Most recently, the anticipated accessories are finally here. In an epic world first, they have brought tech from their cinema-grade Titan lights to the AEOS 2, the smart softbox. I love the idea of a smart diffuser because the amount of time that I've lost on adding and taking out the baffles and the amount of money I've spent on diffusers and modifiers that take too long to assemble and break infuriates me. In the realm of other accessories we saw at these events were the barn doors and the speed ring adapter and the impressive parabolic modifiers, which are all accessories to turn the AEOS 2 and the Neo 3 into fully featured production lights. Now, if the smart diffuser isn't big enough and you need more universal controlled light, then the new universal Bowens Parabolic Modifier Softbox and Egg Crate could be the perfect thing for you. So here I have the R90 from Rotolight. There is also a 120 edition, which is even bigger than this one. They are 16-sided and steel reinforced and quick release to pop up and down, and they're perfectly designed for photographers and cinematographers. And all of those things I said I hated about modifiers, well, Rotolight has addressed it. It's easy to set up with the easy clip-in poles that all can pack down when you're packing away. It is a 16-sided parabolic and has handy Velcro mounting points, making this modifier a definite addition to any lighting set, and it works perfectly with any Bowens mount light, not just Rotolights. And to fit your new Rotolight in the parabolic modifier is the universal speed ring adapter, which works for both AEOS and Neo lights. Here you can see the universal mount for the Rotolight AEOS 2 and the Neo 3. It's universal, works for both. And the quick release buttons for the modifier itself, which makes putting this up and down extremely quick and easy to use. So these are designed to be universal, so they will work with any one of your Bowens style lights. So what's really good about this honeycomb grid and the way that they have given you loads and loads of space to actually stick not only the honeycomb grid, but also the baffle as well. So with these modifiers, although you can reach in and change the settings on your lights, especially with the Rotolights, it's definitely worth doing it through the app instead. It's much easier, much more convenient, but you do have the option there if you don't want to use the app, for instance. So you lift each one up and pop it down. And like that, your softbox is down. That's wicked. Well, thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please remember, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time for great products. Take care. Bye-bye.